Sunfresh Foods has developed a reasonably priced, high-output solar food dryer that will fight food insecurity, provide economic opportunity to entrepreneurs and businesses, and ensure the sustainable future of subsistence agriculture in Kenya. In Kenya, food spoilage is a serious issue. As much as 60% of produce can perish before it is sold to a consumer at market. Crop losses are contributing to an already staggering food security problem in sub-Saharan Africa, but its economic effects are just as serious. 75% of Kenyans rely on small-scale agriculture to provide for themselves and their families. Subsistence farming is very common in Kenya, and when farmers like Liz are unable to sell their produce, their livelihoods are severely damaged. For a subsistence farmer like Liz, a 50% decline in crop yields constitutes a serious incentive to leave her farm and move to a city. Urbanization exacerbates food security issues and hurts the agricultural sector. To make small-scale farming secure and to give people a chance at economic mobility, there must be a sustainable market for their goods. We will create this market by providing low-cost solar food dryers to local food distributors in rural Kenya. Drying produce is an effective preservation method that creates a valuable and shelf-stable product. Currently, many people in the developing world use open sun drying to preserve their crops. Though this method is inexpensive, the food is susceptible to contamination and nutrition loss. Solar food dryers protect produce from direct sunlight and many contaminants. However, many of the dryers currently available in the market are either too expensive, too difficult to maintain, or too small with which to start a business. Our mid-size dryer is affordable and easy to maintain. The dryer is made from locally sourced materials that meet the Kenyan government standards for food safety and can be built within one day. It costs $500, but pays for itself in 1 month of operation. The sun heats up the air in the solar collector, and low-power fans direct the warm air over the food. This process reduces the moisture content of the produce by up to 70%, which is sufficient for packaging. Tests in Kenya validated that the quality of food dehydrated in our dryer is higher than that of food dried in direct sunlight. This summer, Sunfresh Foods will bring the solar dryer to market in southern Kenya. To do this, we will work with Azuri Health, a food distribution company we have a strong relationship with. Azuri will help us identify an underemployed entrepreneur with the drive to craft a business. In Phase 1, we will bring our dryer to market by loaning 5 dryers and $300 to a local entrepreneur. The entrepreneur will purchase raw produce from farmers, process it in the solar dryer, and sell the dried food to Azuri Health. Azuri Health will then package the produce and sell it at market. These contractors can make as much as $400 working for Sunfresh Foods and Azuri Health for 6 months in this capacity. Phase 1 provides us with market linkages and will prove the solar dryer as the foundation for a sustainable business model, but all stakeholders will profit from the venture over the 6-month period. After 6 months, the dryers will be a proven tool, and Azuri will have developed the market linkages with farmers needed to scale up the venture. Sunfresh Foods will manufacture a larger version of the dryer with twice the output. Azuri Health will purchase 15 of these dryers for $500 each, and will hire employees to purchase food from farmers, process it, and transport it to market. With 15 dryers producing 2,000 bags of dried produce per month, Azuri will make $23,000 in the first full year of operations. After the first year, Sunfresh Foods will scale up their production of solar dryers with help from Mavuno, an affordable greenhouse producer based in Kenya. We will sell additional dryers to Azuri Health and will identify other food distribution companies like VegPro Group to expand operations to other communities. In 5 years, we will have over 100 solar dryers on the ground in Kenya. These dryers will reduce food spoilage and provide economic opportunity for farmers, entrepreneurs, and businesses, while ensuring the sustainable future of subsistence agriculture in Kenya.